Hello everyone, myself Gadak Dhanashree. Last lecture we discussed bisection method. Today we will discuss example based on bisection method. For example, obtain root of equation 5x log x minus 6 is equal to 0 using bisection method. This is transcendental equation because this equation consists of logarithmic function. Consider function f of x is equal to 5x log x base 10 minus 6 is equal to 0. Consider point x is equal to 2.5. First step is consider two trial points that images means f of 2.5 f of 3 have opposite signs. So consider these 2 points, x is equal to 2.5, put in this equation, so we get value minus 1.02625, this less than 0. Next consider point x is equal to 3, so we have to find f of 3, we have to calculate, we get value of f of 3 is 1.156815 greater than 0, have opposite sign. So let us take x0 is equal to 2.5, x1 is equal to 3. So first step is, second step we have to find midpoint of this interval, open interval 2.5 3. So x2 is equal to x0 plus x1 upon 2. x0 is 2.5 plus 3 upon 2. Solve this, we get 2.75. Can we say that x2 is root of this equation? Let us check that f of 2.75, put the value of x2 is equal to 2.75 in this equation. So solve this, we get 0.040825. This not equal to 0 is greater than 0. So x2 is not root of equation. So 2.75 is not root of equation. So we get two interval, open interval 2.5 to 2.75 and 2.75 to 3. So root lies between this interval, either this interval or this interval. So in bisection method, value of f of x2 is greater than 0, so root lies between first interval. Value of f of x2 is less than 0, so root lies between second interval. So value of f of 2.75 is greater than 0, root lies between open interval 2.5 to 2.75. So I am saying that x0 is equal to 2.5, x1 is equal to 2.75. Next step, f of x0 means f of 2.5 greater less than 0 and f of 2.75 greater than 0 have opposite signs. So next step is we have to find out midpoint. x2 is equal to x0 plus x1 upon 2, so we get value 2.625. Again can we say that 2.625 is root of this equation? Let us check, put value x is equal to 2.625 in this function, evaluate, we get minus 0.498932. So this is not 0, so this 2.625 is not a root of this equation. So again we get two interval, first interval this and second interval this. Bisection method, value of this is greater than 0, value of f of x2 is greater than 0, so root lies between first interval, and value is f of x2 is less than 0, root lies between second interval. So value of f of 2.625 is less than 0, so root lies between second interval. Again again consider this interval. I am saying that x0 is equal to 2.625 and x1 is equal to 2.75. f of 2.625 is less than 0 and f of 2.75 is greater than 0 have opposite signs. Next step is we have to find midpoint of this interval. I am saying that x0 is equal to 2.625, x1 is equal to 2.75. So midpoint is x0 plus x1 upon 2, we get value 2.62875. Again check, x2 is root of this equation. So let us check. So value of 2.6875 is not 0, is less than 0. So 2.6875 is not a root of this equation. Again we get again two interval this interval, first interval and second interval. So a value of f of 2.6875 is less than 0. So root lies between second interval. So f of 2.6875 value is less than 0 and f of 2.75 value is greater than 0, have opposite signs. So second step is we have to find out midpoint. x2 is 2.6875 plus 2.75 upon 2. We get 2.71875. So again check, x2 is root of equation. So f of 2.71875, so value is minus 0.095243 is less than 0, is not 0, so is not root of equation. So next this value less than 0, so root lies between second interval. I am saying that again, x0 is equal to 2.71875, x1 is equal to 275. F of 2.71875 is less than 0 and f of 2.75 is greater than 0, have a opposite sign. Second step, we have to find midpoint. x2 is equal to x0 upon 2. We get value 2.734375. Again check, x2 is root of this equation. Let us check, value of f of 2.734375 is minus 0.025012, not 0, less than 0. So this value of 2.734375 is less than 0, lies between second interval. So again I am saying that x0 is equal to 2.734375, x2 is equal to 2.75. Value of f of 2.734375 is less than 0 and value of f of 2.75 is greater than 0, so I have a opposite sign. Next step, we have to find a midpoint. x2 is equal to x0 plus x1 upon 2. We get 2.742187. So can we check that x2 is root of this equation? Let us check. So value of f of 2.742187 is 0.00617. So it's not 0 but very close to 0. So as the value of the function x 2.74375 is very close to 0, so we stop this iteration. Hence approximate root of above equation is 2.74. Thank you.